after completion of preparation methods of aniline, now next one is chemical properties of aniline. Chemical properties of aniline. So actually aniline is in basic in nature. What is a basic in nature? So first one is basic nature of the aniline. Actually, what is ammonia? Ammonia is the NH3. This ammonia is a NH3. NH3 is base. What is a NH3 is a base. Why NH3 is base? Actually, in NH3 nitrogen with a lone pair of electron. So electron pair donor is what is a base. So it is the base means electron pair donor. So now electron pair donor is a base. Lewis base. So now basic nature of the aniline. So its nature is basic and is reactive with acid. It gives salt. It gives salt. So C6H5NH2 aniline, HCl is acid. So it is the acid. So its nature is a base. So now it gives what is a salt. So it is C6NH3Cl. So it is the what is phenyl ammonium chloride. Phenyl ammonium chloride is the salt. So now salt is obtained when acid react with base. So aniline nature is basic in nature. So second one is alkylation. Alkylation means it is react with alkyl halides. So generally alkyls are denoted with R, halogens are denoted with X. So these are the alkyl halides. So now aniline react with alkyl halides, it gives corresponding amines is called alkylation. So now C6H5NH2 plus CH3Cl, it is a methyl chloride. It is the methyl chloride. So it is alkyl halide. C6H5, C6H5. NH2 converted into NH. CH3, H plus Cl, what is a HCl? What is HCl? So now alkylation. Alkylation means it is react with R, C double bond O, it is X. It is RX, it is R, C double bond O, X. It is the alkylation. It is the acylation. RX means alkylation. R, C double bond O, X means what is acylation. Simply it is RCOX. So X is a halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. So C6H5NH2 aniline, CH3COCl, it is the acetyl chloride. The CH3COCl is acetyl chloride. It is the acetyl chloride. So then C6H5NH CO CH3H plus Cl, what is HCl. So now order of the reactivity of alkylation and acylation. Simply acylation. Order of reactivity of acylation. Methyl acetyl chloride, dimethyl CH3, it is a dimethyl anhydride, and CH3COO-C2H5. It is methyl, it is ethyl. It is CH3CO, it is CH3CO. So it is the methyl acetyl chloride is more reactive. So next one is carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. This reaction also known as isocyanide reaction. For example, NC is present, it is cyano. NC, isocyano. CN is present, it is cyano. CN is cyano. NC is isocyano. CN is cyano. NC is isocyano. So now wherein aniline C6H5NH2 react with CHCl3. It is the chloroform. But it is the chloroform CHCl3. And it is treated with alcoholic KOH, potassium hydroxide, in the presence of warmth. Then it gives C6H5, C6H5, N, it is C, and 3 moles of potassium combines with 3 moles of chlorine, it gives 3 moles of potassium chloride and water. So now C6H5N triple bond C. It means actually this nitrogen attached to the carbon. So then it is the isocyanide. It is the isocyanide. If Cn is present, it is a cyan. It is a carbylamine reaction or isocyanide test. So next one is the reaction with nitrous acid. HNO2 is the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. So wherein R and H2. So then what is R? It is R is the C6H5. C6H5 and H2 phenyl. It is a nitrous acid. This reaction undergoes in the presence of sodium nitrite and HCl, addition of HCl. So then R, it is a one nitrogen, it is second nitrogen, N2, and it is what is a Cl, N2Cl. On hydrolysis, it is the intermediate compound, it is unstable compound. On hydrolysis, it gives R, and in H2O, like that, it is the HOH. H2O is a HOH. So then it is R, it is OH, N2, H plus Cl, HCl. So then what happens in this reaction? Aniline react with nitrous oxide. It gives corresponding alcohols. It gives corresponding what is alcohols. Okay, alcohols. So same as in the place of R is C6H5NH2. It gives C6H5N2Cl intermediate compound plus NaCl plus H2. So reagent is changes. So it is NaNO2 plus 2HCl, but it is a temperature 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. So it is the C6H5N2Cl. It is the benzene disonium chlorides. Benzene disonium chlorides. Simply this representation, it is a benzene. It is N double bond, it is Cl, it is N2 plus Cl minus. It is a benzene disonium chlorides. So now next reaction is reaction with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. So it is the benzene C6H5SO2Cl. It is the C6H5SO2, it is Cl. It is a benzene sulfonyl chloride. Actually, SO2Cl2, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. So then it is C6H5NH plus HNH2. So then it is the C6H5 and it is a NH2. So then it gives benzene sulfamide compounds. It is C6H5, it is C2H5. Then it gives HCl. So next reaction is bromination. Bromination means addition of bromine. So aniline react with bromine, 3 moles of bromine in the presence of water. It gives 1, 2, 4, it is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Tribromo aniline is obtained. Tribromoaniline. So aniline react with 3 moles of bromine. It gives 2, 4, 6 tribromobenzenamine is obtained. So now next reaction is nitration. Nitration means it is react with what is NH3. What is HNO3, nitric oxide. Actually, the mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4 is known as nitration mixture. What is a nitration mixture? So aniline in the presence of acetic anhydride, CH3CO taken twice CO is acetic anhydride. Pyridine, what is C6H5NH, pyridine N. So then it gives intermediate compounds. So the finally it gives what is ortho meta para nitroaniline is obtained. It is a major compound. Para nitroaniline is major compound. So next reaction is a sulfonation. Sulfonation means aniline react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 NH2. So then addition of one hydrogen NH3 and HSO4. Then it gives what is it is a sulfonation. Okay, it is reactive with the sulfuric acid. So these are the chemical properties of aniline. What is the chemical properties of aniline? So now, what are the chemical properties of aniline? First one is basic nature. Why aniline nature is basic nature? Because in aniline, nitrogen with lone pair of electron, it is ready to lose of electrons. According to Lewis theory, electron pair donor is base, electron pair acceptor is acid. So now it is reactive with acid, then it gives salt. So it uses salt, it means it may be its nature is basic. Now next one is alkylation. Alkylation means aniline react with alkyl halides. What is alkyl halides? Acylation means aniline react with acetyl halides. So now carbyl amine test reaction is also known as isocyanide test. So next one is a reaction with what is nitrous oxide. Then it gives finally benzene diazonium compounds. These are the benzene diazonium salts. C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. So now it is the reaction with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, bromination, nitration, and also sulfonation.